What are you doing, Elvis? Elvis is my boy. What up, dude? So you see the broccoli, how it's already steamed? It's nice and tender. Vegetables don't need to be piping hot when you put them in your mouth. Vegetables need to be perfect. They don't need to be hot. You just want to make sure it's got that flavor.
I play in my kitchen. I put my basil in last.
Always.
How hot is it? Today I'm here with Chef Junior. I'm at his humble abode right here today in the chef's kitchen. Proud to be with a close friend, not just for a few years, but too many years. But the beginning of our relationship, he was coming and going, so we never got the chance to really sit down and have an intimate meal. This is the first. I'm told this pot is hot, and I'm not going to touch it.
Do not touch.
And you're going to have a good time watching what happens here today.
Good to see you.
And it's funny, when I first met Junior, he told me it was a lot of things. And I have to say, like, I couldn't believe them all, because he first told me he was a chef, then told me he's a decorator, then told me he can do fondant cakes, then told me he's a graffiti artist and an artist. It was a lot in one moment, in one sentence to take on. But I'm here today, and I'm a believer.
I love cooking. That's for sure. But I also love art.
I didn't come for the free meal. I came to bond and hang out with you. What are we cooking today? We talked about a few things. I told you I had a special diet, and I think you blew all
Your diet doesn't count.
You blew all the stop signs on that.
No.
What is this here?
It's like a baked feta. Kalamata olives, roast red pepper, caramelized onions.
Looks good.
Really, really, really good olive oil.
This is hot.
It's that red can. It's phenomenal.
I've been eating your cheese while I'm waiting to get this thing rolling here, so I can't help it.
I went down to Philly to Reddington Market. Place is phenomenal. Great
I love
quality.
Reddington Market. Love it. My favorites.
Great quality. You know.
I love the Reddington Terminal.
Oh, okay. That's phenomenal. Okay. So we're gonna do a roasted sausage and broccoli. I made handmade rigatoni. Save your broccoli, guys, because that is exactly how you make broccoli soup.
What's going on here?
This is the sausage soup. Sorry for my small living, but I know you're a big house. You do not want to have to clean your stove.
No housekeeper.
No, Joe. No housekeeper. No housekeeper. So I'm going to give you one job tonight. You said you're here to help, right?
No, I'm just here to watch. I made it clear I wasn't doing
A few
anything.
minutes ago you said help.
I can help.
This is Jersey.
I can help.
You got to jump in.
Okay.
All I need you to do is just make sure the pasta doesn't overcook.
Okay. I can do it. Al dente. I'm fussy with my pasta. It's gotta be al dente.
This is Tan-Man rigatoni, man. Stir your pasta, Joe. Don't salt the pasta yet. Put a good amount in there, Joe, because you do want
Okay.
seasoning.
Okay.
Otherwise, you know.
I'm getting my apprentice chef with Chef Junior right now.
Did you have to grab the biggest wooden spoon out of the
I
pile?
wanted to be part of it. I want to know where this came from.
Somebody has a complex.
Hey, listen.
Just say it, Joe.
Everything I do is big. My wife.
How's that pasta doing?
I'm doing okay. Keep the stir going here.
Well, pull out a piece and try it. Fresh pasta like that, fresh frozen, 5-6 minutes, tops. Tops.
It's still hard.
Still hard.
What's supposed to be done?
Portagna, this stuff is phenomenal. Not very expensive.
Now that I'm doing the pasta, it's coming exactly the way I want it.
If you overcook that pasta, chill.
I like to pull it right now because it's going to cook. I have a belief, not a chef, that's going to cook while it's sitting in the strainer.
Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna cool it with some cold water from the faucet, please. And then once we get it cool, we're gonna toss it with a little bit of olive oil, and a little more salt and pepper, please. And we're gonna move that lettuce to the cutting board, please. Did I tell you about this table? So I had this built out in Ohio. It's from a really, really old church, early 1700s. But this is my chef table, so it's built to my height. So that way my back doesn't bother me when I'm, you know. Hope you don't mind me and my sous chef. Listen, you came here, you said you wanted to come and have dinner.
You said,
I said you're gonna come and have dinner.
Everybody needs Joe Coyle.
Yeah.
It's not the first time I was invited to a kitchen and then I'm doing the work. Right?
I know.
I do have those skills here.
Yeah.
I've never even flipped this stuff like this before.
I know that you're a phenomenal baker, so I can't tease you too much. I want to protect all that juices, all the juices that are inside that casing, right? So if I hard roasted this right now and then they all split open, all those juices are now going down into the bottom. I always try to just go nice and light on my roast, especially since we're already putting this in the pasta. So.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this crostini's going. Crazy, no crazy bananas. All right, so check it out. You got crostinis here.
They're golden up pretty good, chef, here. I think we gotta make a move, man.
All right, brother. We'll move some stuff around, Joe. We make some room. Okay. I'm gonna put my proteins with my proteins.
I'm making a call.
Pull them. Yank them. Oh, those are beautiful.
Now, Junior, we talked about career.
Yep.
You want to start from the beginning? Give us a snapshot of the beginning. Why would you want to become a chef? A lot of work, a lot of late nights. And how you became a chef.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I started young, you know. I started really young. I started as a dishwasher, and I saw those guys sharpen knives and work at a table. I don't know, I guess I was a young kid. I started as a really young kid. I think I was 13 years old. I became a dishwasher. And once I was in that kitchen, I realized that I didn't have to worry about eating. Yeah, I fell in love. I remember the first time I worked a flat top, the breakfast cook didn't show up. I was like, uh-oh. I was like, what do you want to do? She goes, get your ass out there. So I did, and I rocked it. And once that, I was addicted. As soon as I hit that flat top, because I had watched that guy. Of course, I made my own dinner on the flat top. Like, I cooked onions on the flat top. Like, I prepped on it. I knew a flat top.
Very good.
Ah, we need some of this crushed red pepper. Jay, you better try one of those crostinis, Jay. I know you're videoing it. You're putting in all this hard work. I'm sure they'll understand if you take a 30-second bite and just hammer that. It's such a great mix of herbs. Try it.
It's nice.
I love
Is
it.
this served at the Stage House?
Yes, this is on my menu. This is our baked feta appetizer. And this is exactly how it comes. It's a shareable. It's something that
You serve it in a skillet?
in a skillet right on the table. Yep, same way. We're gonna do a quick vinaigrette. Have you ever had white ball salmon?
No.
By the way, this is just regular romaine. I buy a lot of my produce at the farm out in Cranberry. Local honey is so good for you. If you have allergies, go to a local beekeeper. Buy a bottle of their honey. Every day, a teaspoon of that honey. Allergies go away. Grow, basil, mint, thyme. And they're so easy. They don't die. They're very, very durable, you know? Because this is a dip, I don't want to go too heavy to chop. There's a process, obviously, in making wine. You could purchase this stuff. It's called verjus. And verjus is basically like the prior to when they actually make the wine. This spoon is at least 100 and something years old. It's pure silver. This thing is so heavy, but I love it. And I only use this in cast iron pans. I don't use metal spoons with almost anything other than cast iron. I don't believe in it. I think it's bad for everybody. So, I'm gonna dress this. Joe, this was that white balsamic, remember?
Yeah.
Okay. So, white balsamic, olive oil. I don't know about you guys, but I like a salad that's got a lot of crunch and flavor.
I don't like croutons.
You like
Can you separate my croutons?
Oh, you're one of those people. Ah, thing. All right, Joe. I love putting vinaigrette on top of my croutons. That way, by the time you guys get done stirring it all up, that's fresh local honey. So
Where's your honey guy from again? What town?
Cranberry, New Jersey. Friendship Farm. That place is phenomenal. Good.
I heard of Friendship Farm. Oh yeah.
Good soul. Good soul. You know? Yeah, definitely. Let's get the
I'm a huge
salad.
fan of Ray.
We'll nibble on that later.
As you know, me being here is an asset. We already talked about that. I've been a lot of help. But let's talk about your team at the Stage House and what they mean to you. How you get through you work what, 6 hours a day?
They're phenomenal. They're family. You know, you're talking about bright young adults. My kitchen guys, they mean the world to me. So I guess it's one of those things where, like, you know, the proof is in the pudding. You know, you stand up for the people that you believe in. So you notice on the sausage how I kept some of that pink in there? That flavor being in that pasta dish instead of sitting in the bottom of an oven pan. This is such a simple dish, guys. It's so simple. This is on my menu. Right? This is sausage and broccoli with rigatoni. Listen, I get up in the mornings for my staff. They drive me. You know, the people that I work with get the meat and soul. There's a big difference. And a lot of people always say that, oh, you work too many hours, or oh, you're on, you know, all the time. You're on 24 hours a day. We're not there to play. We don't want to give bad service. We don't want to give bad food. It's respect. It's love.
Is there love in every meal at the Stage House?
Of course.
Talk about the love. You mentioned it before.
It's my home. It's their home. It's all of our homes. You know, I have a phenomenal staff. I can literally walk away from that restaurant and it will run like no other. And to be honest with you, you got to give your staff time to work by themselves. You have to. That's a good leader. Yeah, it's a great thing. I take pride in it. I give people that room to express how to fix something. I don't know everything. Right? I wouldn't want somebody up my ass 24 hours a day telling me start sausage please. You know
Am I stirring or am I flipping?
You stir it with a hard push on the spoon on the bottom. You want to get as much of that stickiness off the bottom. Yeah.
My first time here doing this, so
Spread them out now, and then let me say it again, please. I appreciate you, Joe.
I wasn't expecting anything different. I may not be a chef, but I got a little experience.
I don't care who you are. You need to figure out a way to get this gentleman's Hungarian nut roll because it's fire. Spare your sausage. Thank you.
Am I flipping these sausages or not? Not that flipping.
You can flip them. Yeah. I know how to cook chicken. You can actually do it without killing it.
Just wait till Sonic is so legal.
Thank you. Some fresh thyme. If you need a break for any reason, Jay, just let me know.
Jay, have some salad, man.
Yeah, you really
Put
should.
your bowl right there. I'm getting into this cheese.
I went down to Philly already, Tim, man, and then they have an assortment of cheese like no other.
Where'd you go down?
Yesterday. It's good flavor right there. Some of the stems are soft and beat. You hear my Frankie in the background? I'm gonna turn up a little bit. It's a little weak, Jay. I know I gotta be quiet for this, but I just realized I just tried vegetable stock.
Nice.
Oh, that sucks. They're like a champ though, because you know what? It's good for me. All right, pasta's almost ready. That broth is everything you cook with love. And you see how that's not all pasta? It's a dish. Do not be shy about it.
I I had it tight because I knew it was going in the pot.
Do you see how bright green that broccoli is? Ay, ay, ay. Sausage with wood fire grilled chicken, homemade rigatoni, locatelli, simple pasta dish. Sausage, chicken, and broccoli. That is money. This is the first time you've been silent all night, so it's gotta be good. You haven't stopped talking
I don't
for
know if you're
45
insulting me
minutes.
or you're trying to tell me the meal's good.
I was about to give you a bottle of water to cool down your throat.
It's really good.
Made with love, bro. Oh yeah. The crostinis that we just made with the olive oil and the locatelli. Ugh.
If he gives it to Netflix.